Welcome to the Lakeview Chicago Real Estate Market Report for May 2024. If you're interested in buying or selling a home in single-family home in Lakeview, Chicago, you want to hear this latest insights. Hello, my name is Hugo and I'm with Coldwell Banker and I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. Let's dive into the numbers. In May of 2024, the median sales price for single-family homes was $1.5 million. This is a decline of 10% from April median of 1.7 and a significant 19% drop from last year of 1.9. The average sales price in May of 2024 was 1.6, marking a decrease of 12% of last month to 1.8 million and 11% drop of last year, which was 1.8. The sales price in ratio stood at 99%, which is still slightly down of 100, which is very close. This suggests that while homes are selling slightly below list price, they are closer to asking price than last year. The number of properties sold of May 2024, we saw 12, which is a 9% increase from last month, which was 11, and a 25% decrease from last year of May 2023. Days on the market, the average days was 44 days of May 2024. This is a dramatic increase of 109%, which is 21 days of last month, so it's not too bad. Sales price per square footage, the sales price went up to $398 and a modest increase of 1.53. Not a whole lot there from last month, but just a slight 1 or 2%. Inventory levels, there are 40 properties for sale in the market, 17% increase from last month and 11% more higher than last year. So the inventory level observed compared to the past 2 years is pretty good. Market supply, the indicator is that 3.33 months in May of 2024 is indicating that it's shifting towards the buyer's market, and it is compared to 2023 and 2022. There were 39 new listings in May of 2024, 39% higher than last month, and the marketing highest number of new listings in the last 2 years. So in summary, the Lakeview market is experiencing a cooling trend with declining sales price and a longer days on the market. However, with increased inventory and new listings, buyers have more options than in previous years. Sellers should be aware of the competitive pricing and longer selling times. Stay tuned for the next update with condos and townhomes, and if you're considering to buying or selling in Lakeview, Chicago, now might be the pivot time to make a move. Call me 773-550-4846 for any questions. We are here to service your real estate needs.